Good morning, and welcome to your lesson. Weather is one of the most variable things that you will encounter in outdoor settings. Most weather stations are too far apart to accurately track weather phenomena such as snow squalls and thunderstorms. So you'll always need to be on a watch to see what type of weather is coming your way. Driving factor behind all weather patterns. High pressure systems and low pressure systems are pushed around the earth due to wind. A high pressure system comes into an area and pushes out lower dense air out of the system, otherwise known as a low pressure system. A high pressure system will usually result in clearer skies. As air cools through the air column, it becomes more dense and comes down and pushes out lower, more humid, less dense air, otherwise known as low pressure systems. Low pressure systems consist of a lot of humidity, which leads to more weather, such as rainfall and snow. The difference between high pressure systems and low pressure systems are measured by barometric pressure. As barometric pressure rises, it indicates that there's a high pressure system in the area. As barometric pressure lowers, a low pressure system is in the area. To sum up, barometric pressure is created by the weight of the air above you in the atmosphere. The image before you shows as the elevation decreases, so does the air pressure, which connects to how high pressure and low pressure systems move into areas through the difference in air densities. Today we'll be talking about clouds. If you may look above me, you can see that it's an extensive cloud cover. You can't really tell what types of clouds there are above us. There are two main types of clouds, cumulus clouds and stratus clouds. These are the two main family groups of clouds. The other way the clouds are broken down are by the height. You have the high clouds, the middle clouds, and the low clouds. Cumulus clouds are often more humid and fluffier in shape. They're the ones that will bring clouds are higher up in the atmosphere and are often layered in shape. And they're composed mainly of ice crystals and don't really bring any weather along with them. Here you can see the cloud column that I have mentioned. As you can see, the clouds are broken down into three elevation groups. Most precipitation comes from the low clouds. However, cumulonimbus clouds are the exception since they can extend thousands of feet into the atmosphere. Rather than being focused on specific types of clouds, you should recognize that thicker, puffier clouds will bring weather, and higher wispy clouds will not. The main type of cloud you should look out for is the cumulonimbus cloud. This one that often brings the most extreme weather, and they move into different systems quite quickly.
See? Cumulonimbus.
Wind from the west, weather is at its best. Red sky at night, sailors' delight. Red sky at morning, sailors' warning. These are just two examples of weather lore. Weather lore has been something that people have depended on for centuries. Some terms are more concrete than others, but weather lore is something that can be relied upon, but should never be the sole form of weather forecast when in the backcountry. Keep in mind when you're out in the wilderness is if you're looking at leaves and you see them flipping over where you can see the lighter portions of them, that means some weather is headed your way. Out into the wilderness, it's important to check the local weather forecast for any weather that might be coming your way. If you have any more questions, please refer back to your Backcountry Classroom. As well, you can check out websites like NOAA, and they have detailed descriptions of any clouds and weather patterns that you might encounter in different parts of the United States.